Cuts. What? Why didn't it block? Did I push something? Flowty games. Alright, I guess we're gonna start from here. Hello everyone, dudes and dudettes, this is Flowty and we are trying out some Street Fighter V this Monday morning. So what I'm trying out here is splitting up the headphones for the stream and then the Blue Yeti for the recordings afterwards for the VODs. So let's see how the audio quality is and compare the two. On the PlayStation 4 I'm using a headset, and in my PC there's the Blue Yeti. So we have Zangief. Oh, nope. Just stop jumping. Oops, shit. Man, we get crush countered all day. Alright, let's get him. We need to poke him out. It's my first day of the, or first game of the day. Usually they don't go too well because I'm not warmed up at all, and I haven't played in a few days. Ow, wrong and normal. Ow, nope. Stop pushing shit. Ah. Nope. Shit. I'm just gonna wake up DP because why not? Oh shit. Nice, nice. Alright, we just need to play it safe and let's try and connect something with our critical art and not just throw it out there. Nope. Stop walking, mate. Stop walking. Nope. 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 Come on, man. I know you can do this. Yes. Oh, shit. That hurts. Ah! Oh my god, it's lagging. Lagging like crazy. I'm scared. I'm scared. The lag spikes are real. Yes! We got him. We got him, guys. Nice. Oh, yeah! A couple more games and then I'm gonna have lunch and check out the material we got. Good first game. Good first game. Sweet. It's not screwed up. Another Zangief. Facing Zangiefs all day. Every day. Okay, let's see how this game goes. Nice pants, bro. Alright. Ugh. God. Nope. Stop. Stop jumping. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. Oh no! I used to punch. Fuck. 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 I need God mode. And shortcuts. What? Why didn't it block? Did I push something? Did I fuck that up? Oh shit. Oh man. Alright. Alright. We need to focus, guys. We need to focus. Okay. Nope. Ah! Nice. Ah. Shit. I'm not liking, like low, medium kick at all to poke with. It seems really unreliable. It's so slow. Ah! And he gets crush countered really easily. He has the fucking tornado now, so we need to watch out. Oh no. Oh no. We're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. But he does have the tornado. Fuck. Ah! Fuck! He got us. He got us. Shit. Slimy little motherfucker. Slimy. Well, GG. One more. And then I think I have enough test footage. Karen. Well, we are gonna get our asses kicked. Moo face. Moo. Let's do this. Motherfucker! Alright, Karen. Fuck off. Yeah. I have no idea how to fight Karen. But fuck it. Oh man, that's not well, how did that not link? Shit. Yeah, boy. That's a frame trap, son. Boom. Bring it, Missy. Oh shit. I got them wake up DPs too, motherfucker. Okay, seems safe. Yes. Okay. God mode. Shit. Oh my gosh, it keeps pushing the buttons. Yeah, I guess this much. It's not safe. if I understood correctly, almost none of her specials are safe, but her combo potential is really good, so that's what makes her, you know, kind of risk reward character. If I understood right. Alright, league down, yeah. Don't get up to super bronze. Need to get more skills to rise up. Chun-Li. I have a lot of problems with Chun-Li, and let's see if we can actually beat her. Kind of doubtful, but we have to learn at some point. Alright guys, let's do this. Let's beat Chun once and for all. Maybe. No! You stay down! Oh shit, that's a throw. That's a DP, motherfucker! Nope. Ah, okay. Ah, what the... No. Oh, fuck you. I hate Chun so much. I would have gotten stunned there. Yeah, this is... I have such trouble with these guys. These Chuns. Nope. No, it's not safe. Spinning bird kicker. Oh, this is an overhead. Dude, motherfucker. Alright. Nope. Yeah, she's baiting for that throw. Ah, fuck. Yeah. We suck, guys. But, you know, training makes perfect, so I guess we'll beat her at some point. Maybe? Perhaps? I don't know. Anyways, that's it for my test. I'm gonna check out the footage, have some food, and then I might be on playing some more matches. Because we kind of got warmed up now, even though it doesn't look like it stats-wise. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. This has been Flowty. Check out my YouTube if you like it, or follow me on this Twitch channel if you enjoy this content. This has just been a test, but thank you so much anyways. See ya!